Today we are going to shoot some rolling shot. I am very excited. The weather seems very sketchy. It looks like it's about to rain. Damn, look at the colors. Okay, well, we're gonna say hi, I guess. I'm Kuji, nice to meet you.
Adrian, nice to meet you.
Are we waiting for them or are we meant to like...
He told me to come here.
Okay, perfect.
Riding's right now though.
Yeah, perfect.
Do you just know them through riding and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, your bike's super cool.
Thank you, I just got new fairings basically.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
I need to get new fairings.
Yeah, I see that. But what happened? Oh my god. Oh shit!
It flew off on the highway.
How?
I don't know.
What do you mean it flew?
Like here.
Yo, the Groot. Damn!
Crazy colored eyes.
Thank you! Thank you!
I complained about having brown eyes, but now I'm not so mad about it.
Brown eyes are beautiful in my opinion. Oh my god, it just keeps sticking out. So annoying.
I need to order new ones.
Ay, ay,
I
ay.
used to have like different fairings. It was like white and red.
Oh!
And then I wrecked, so I had,
No.
and the last one had tank grips, but I haven't gotten new ones because I'm lazy.
Damn. And by the way, what bike is that?
It's a Honda CBR 600.
Okay. Okay. And which year is that?
It's a 2001.
2001. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
It was to be washed so bad.
It's all fine. The baby Groot. Oh, I can't. It's so cute.
What year is your R3?
2017.
Is it a lot of fun?
Yes. I love sport bikes and I love my little Yamaha. I wish I could upgrade, but at the same time, I don't know, I love this bike. I fixed it all by myself basically.
Really?
Yeah, with help of my friends. Holy shit. Damn! No way! Holy fuck.
I'll make sure to record that.
Little zip tie, niggas.
Get my good side, Alright.
Bruh, I hope that this doesn't fall off.
It shouldn't. I mean,
the other side already fell off.
yeah, this Adrian.
Yes, we already met. He arrived here a little bit earlier.
Like this.
No, that's perfect. It's not shaky at all. Like, look at it.
Yeah, like this. I'm gonna be holding on to Riley.
That's gonna be wild. That's gonna be crazy. We're gonna go on a bridge, come back. Gotta record something. We came back. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. It was fun. It was a great ride. It was a great day as well. Can't wait to share with you all the rolling shots. I hope that they came out good. Thanks again. See ya.